guys, a little windy out here. There's Longhorns on Main Street in Hendersonville, and same parking lot there's a little place called Arigato Sayonara, Japanese restaurant, and they have a store, a Japanese store next door. It's called the Asian Grocery. If you like what you eat here, you can probably buy it at their store. So let's go on inside. This is one of the biggest sushi menus I've ever seen in my life. So we're gonna go down and show you what the appetizers, everything is. You don't have to have sushi, they also have ramen, and they have many other things too. You know, I've never done a video here. I've been here many times.
So are you filming right now?
Yeah. And if they want to see anything on the menu, they just hit pause. So you get to see the whole menu. Look at that. We're not done yet. Yep, there's day one. And then look at this. Your sushi specials. You can do a pick 2 or pick 3 of any of these rolls. Crunchy rolls, dragon rolls, everything you love. The eel, no matter what you like. And then pick 2 or pick 3 of the Arigato specials. And then there's sushi combos. Look at that. Look at this. Have you ever seen a menu like this? Is that unbelievable? Just roll after roll after sushi roll after sushi roll. We're not done yet. We have one more page. It just goes on forever. Whatever your heart desires, they have it here. Now we're done. And then over there, they have more on the wall over there. I don't even know if that's on the menu. They used to have ramen. They don't do ramen anymore?
Ramen noodles?
Yeah, they used to have ramen.
Yes, the noodle entree.
Oh, they do? Oh, there it is. Yeah, I showed you guys that earlier. That's the noodle entree. Yeah, you can have spicy. It's unbelievably spicy. Okay, I've been here and I've had their tea before, and their tea is the best tea I've ever tasted. What do you think of it?
Well, I had a sip. I'll do another.
Go ahead.
Oh,
Do
you guys.
a live sip right now. Yeah, look at the. He didn't have a
Take
sip.
2.
Yeah.
Yeah, very decent. This is
Good
tea.
flavor, doesn't have
Nice,
great flavor.
nice flavor. And I like big cups too.
Big cups, yes. Very good. I have a question. Have you ever had kimchi?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Don't know.
You've never had kimchi? Okay.
I'm sorry, I'm not a Japanese connoisseur like you.
It's a fermented, kind of a cabbage slaw.
That sounds delicious.
But they leave it out and they let it ferment a little bit. So it's a little tangy. I'm going to get a side of it for you.
Okay.
Would you try it once on camera for us?
We'll try it for everybody.
Okay, I won't, I promise. It's very distinct. You'll either love it or hate it. One or the other. You're like, yeah, I'm not a very
Well, that's how people feel about you.
Yeah,
They
I know.
love you or hate you.
I know, but don't tell me. I've been doing this 10 years. As always, when you do like a pick 3 or a pick 2, you get this lovely salad with it's kind of got like an Asian peanut dressing. And then over here, you get soup. And you get miso soup, and we got some beautiful tea. We're just having a good old time. There it is, kimchi. Dun, 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 dun,
And that looks good. I probably.
It does look good. Like I said, you'll love it or you'll hate it. You just won't like it. It's just not your thing. And it's very, you smell it like a vinegar, kind of a tanginess to it.
Looks delicious.
It sure does. So we're gonna have, Charles is gonna taste kimchi for the first time ever.
I'm gonna have to do it with.
No. Oh, you do, huh?
I don't have a fork. But
You know how to, do you want me to get your fork?
no. If I'm gonna eat something authentic, I better have authentic tools.
That's right.
Okay, here we go, boy. I know. Oh, it's good.
That's what I'm talking about. Dude, the
we'll go
dude
for
loves
seconds.
kimchi. It's all yours. Go ahead, pull the bowl towards you. That's yours to munch on. Nothing but vegetables, fermented.
Oh, very nice.
I love it.
Good
It's
spices.
really healthy, too, for your stomach. I kind of put it in the category of good bacteria.
Yeah.
I really do.
Very tasty.
Thank you so much. All right, which one's which again? The first
All
one's
right, this
snow
is
crab.
snow crab.
Snow crab.
This is the fried oyster.
Fried oyster
And what was the last
spicy
one?
it was salmon. Spicy salmon. You can see the little spicy sauce right there. This is gonna be delicious. All right, you going snow crab or spicy salmon?
I'm going oyster. All right, and we're gonna dip it in light sodium soy sauce. Try to be a little healthy. Bottoms up.
Good flavor.
It was delicious. Very good. Beyond very good.
All right, so we're gonna partake in this once again. Snow crab, fried oyster, and spicy salmon. And after we're done, we're gonna go outside and we'll give you our feedback. I want to mention this. This is the snow crab. Look how much crab's in there. Look at that. And one of the biggest complaints about sushi is there's too much rice. They lightly coat it with some rice. You can see the seaweed in there. Not a lot of rice. And this rice is not dry like the last place. It's not sticky. It's just fresh. Like we just made it when we ordered it. Okay, sushi's gone. The tea's gone. The kimchi's gone. I wonder how the review's going to be.
All right, we just finished a little lunch with appetizers at the Arigato Sayonara Japanese restaurant here in Goodlettsville, Tennessee. This is strictly a sushi restaurant, and I want to tell you, this was Jack's choosing. He said I would like it. Well, I got to tell you, I loved everything I had. I had a new dish, kimchi, for the first time, and it's spicy cabbage. If you're Italian, you like cabbage. This was to die for. And then we ordered 3 types of appetizers. We had spicy oysters in a roll and with a really moist rice, which is a big surprise here for sushi. Then we had a salmon roll, and then the other one was a
Snow crab.
Snow crab. Well, oysters took it hands down. Spicy, crunchy oyster. First, I never had that before. I've had oysters, but not in that fashion. I want to tell you, this one blew the sushi train off the map. This is only our second stop and many more to go. So stay tuned, and we'll keep you informed of where we're going.
So this is our new champion then, right?
Oh, she is reigning. She's on top. It's going to take a lot to beat her now.
All right, guys. I've been here, but I've, for some reason, never filmed here. So I thought, hey, we got Sushi Wars going on. We're going here. So it is Arigato Sayonara. That's what it is. I'm all messed up. It don't matter. All I know is they serve sushi, and it's delicious, and they're our new reigning champion because they are better than the sushi train. Even though the sushi train has a huge selection, the quality here is fresher. Yeah, fresher? Is that a word? It's more fresh. Anyway, so come on down. They have ramen and they have sushi here, and the spiciness is perfect. So show them some love. Tell them you saw it on Fish Hook, and we'll see you on the next Sushi Wars.